Exercise 2.2 starts with a very simple balance sheet, and we're going to classify it, which means we're going to divide our assets and liabilities into current and non-current. So let's start with the assets and just take the current assets. So we've got cash on hand, stock, cash at bank, and debtors. We'll then total those up. So it's important that we put the individual numbers in the first column and then the total in the second. Looking at our non-current assets, we've got a vehicle, and there's only one in that category, so we can put the first number in the first column and then we need the total in the second. What's acceptable is you can have it in both like so, but you can't just leave it in the first column. That total needs to be in that second column. That's all of our assets, so we'll total them up and write total assets with the total in the second column. Looking at our liabilities, we've got two current liabilities. We've got creditors and GST, and those numbers again go on the first column. So we go down to the loan, and the loan is due on the 31st of August 2016. So whether that's current or not depends on when we're doing this balance sheet. So you can see in the heading the balance sheet's being done at the 30th of September. So that's actually almost 1 year away. That's 11 months away. So what we'll do is classify all of that as current, and that leaves no non-current liabilities. We'll then move on, total those up, and go down to owner's equity or capital. We haven't been given that amount, so we're going to need to readjust the accounting equation. And there's our full balance sheet, and we'll need to calculate owner's equity by doing assets minus liabilities. So our assets are 51,800, our liabilities are 12,400, so therefore our owner's equity is 39,400. So we'll put that in as our capital figure. Being the only number in the column, we'll then put it in the right hand column as well, and then we'll total up our liabilities and owner's equity, and that'll give us total equities of 51,800. So you can see that the two sides of the balance sheet balance, and therefore we've completed a successful balance sheet.